What is up, guys? Welcome to Crown Rick Auto. Today we're gonna be searching this.
Hey,
wait,
not you searching me.
Not this guy. You ain't got no goodies, man.
Yeah, I ain't got no goodies.
Get out of the way. We're gonna be searching this 2014 Ford Police Utility SUV. It was in a wreck, so it was decommissioned over it. But we're gonna be searching it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. We're gonna try to figure out what department it came from. We're gonna try to figure out what it was used for. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's take a quick look inside. Oh man, this thing looks like it's full of stuff. Let's take a look around. Wheeling LED spotlight. It's like we have some sort of antenna right there. I'm gonna try to remove it right now. Antenna is off. Right over here we have the lights. Looks like they fell off during the accident.
Figured out what department this came from.
What department is that?
Sacramento Police Regional Transit. Regional Transit Police.
Havis cup holder and Havis or Havis? Center console. Looks like I found the camera system.
Gosh, there's a lot of water down here.
Water? Is there any drinking water?
Whoa.
Let's try to start this thing to see how many miles it has or whatever. Let's jump it. All right, let's turn it. Holy crap. It's only got 24,000 miles. Whoa. What? 24,000 miles.
Holy crap.
Woo, that's bright. Looks like AT&T. Right, what is this? Mark Twain North School requested by SPD. Oh crap, this must be like a crime that was recorded or something.
This tells you exactly when the crime was committed.
Holy crap.
We should watch that.
Yeah, that's kind of scary. I don't know why it makes me nervous to see it.
For likes. No, I say
let's get this
40,000 likes.
Let's get this video to 40,000 likes and we'll reveal this. If you are a channel member, you will get extra content, you get extra perks, and you get a sticker of your name in the back of the movie car. Thank you, channel members. You guys are the reason why these videos are possible. Because on my last video, it was demonetized and unlisted and copyright striked all at the same time for no reason.
YouTube, step your game up.
Yeah, dude, it was crap. Okay, I'm gonna put this sign that I found on the movie car because we're gonna take it to the gas station. So buckle him in.
Funny man, let's go.
Funny man is dead. There's no talking to him. Dead, bro.
Well, he can still hear me in the afterlife. So he bled out.
So he's done. Oh yeah, he's done. Look at him. He's dead. Oh well, come on, let's go. Everybody and their mama stares. It must be because I got a new haircut. Oh wait, no, they're just staring at the car. Hey, funny man, you want a snack from Extra Mile? Oh wait, you're dead. Fingerprint thingy. Yep, there goes my fingerprint. I got something. The heck is this? Oh, this is one of those like when you get shot. Oh, cool. Is this used? No, it looks brand spanking new.
You're not supposed to reuse them.
Cat. What are they called again? Turnpikes?
Tourniquets. Turnpike.
Okay, so he's gonna demonstrate how a turnpike works.
Tourniquet.
Tourniquet. Okay, I'm a criminal. Look. Oh, he's been shot. He's been shot. Wait, you're supposed to do it yourself?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. And then that. Here, I'll help you.
There. No, that's good.
I got you. I got you. No, don't worry. I got you. Don't worry. We're gonna turn it so tight his freaking leg pops.
Time.
Oh, and then this thing holds it from turning.
Yep.
Nice.
And then you rub
Now hold it for like an hour and see if your leg turns blue.
Gonna die. It's already turning blue.
Let's see if your toes turn blue.
I bet you.
This week's giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, the winner of this Chris Shaw very nice knife is this guy right here. The previous winner never came forward, so I am choosing somebody else.
Wah, wah.
Moving on. All right. Looks like we have a Cetina back prisoner system back here. We have a burgundy rag, and what's this? Free my ninja little young Diddy Bobo.
What the? That's a weird color too.
Oh, smells like cocoa butter.
Cocoa butter?
Yeah. Come and help me take this stuff out. So, alrighty. Hope I find a biscuit. Hope I find a biscuit. Hey, look, a urinal. A mini. Wait, that's not a urinal.
Hey, a biscuit.
Where? So, traffic advisor was up here, but they removed it because they're a bunch of jerks. So, back here, looks like we have Cetina. A Cetina. Let's pull this thing out. All right. There's gotta be a biscuit in here. Biscuit.
It's all parts.
Just random Havis parts. And, oh, look at this. Nice. San Francisco police patch. Very, very good condition. I don't think it was ever used.
Let me see. But why is it in Spanish?
So, you know what? Because San Francisco used to be Mexico. Long time ago.
Used to be Mexico.
Yes, push bar. Cetina. Check it out. I wish they would do this with Vicks.
All right.
Look at that. That's smart. Cetina's onto something. Ooh, look at that. That's a roll bar.
Low center of gravity.
What's all this?
Fuse box for all the electronics.
Patrol power. Nice. And look at this. Look at that thing. Oh.
Water?
Wait, is it open? Is it open? Nope. And I found a water flavor kit. Don't judge me. I'm thirsty.
What flavor was that?
Peach mango.
You blow it on.
Ugh, it's disgusting. It's because it's vitamins. That's why it tastes like freaking medicine. What's going on with the wires?
Just long. Keep them going.
Oh, they're nicely labeled too.
Yeah, look how long.
Whoa. Damn. This is a very nice partitioner. So baggy. What the heck? No way. Bitcoin? Oh, shh. Bro. Monetary Bitcoin digital.
What's that?
Look, it's a freaking Bitcoin, bro.
Wait, what?
Yeah, that's freaking a real
No
Bitcoin.
way.
Bro, I think we just came up on a Bitcoin.
That was like a $14,000 coin toss.
If it lands on heads, I'm keeping it. If it lands on tails, I'm giving it away to the subscribers. Here we go. It lands on tails. If you want a Bitcoin, just comment Bitcoin and I'm gonna send it to you by next video. You can have it.
I gotta hold it. I gotta hold it. I don't want to.
Bitcoin. Thanks, guys. What are you, a NASCAR driver or something?
I'm just too fat. That's all.
Yo, I think a criminal pulled up.
Nah.
I'm just joking. What's your dog's name?
Poochie?
Poochie.
That was Poochie.
Did you name him after Mario?
No, just I didn't know what to name her.
Oh, okay.
I found her, and,
You know who Poochie is, right? Alpha Mario? His dog's name is Poochie.
Isn't he Yoshi?
Yoshi's. Yeah. Something like that. Something like that.
Yeah, no, I didn't know what to name her. So
No,
on
that's
paper,
cool.
I just put
That's
Poochie.
funny.